Hey kids! Do you know what a volcano is? It's a special mountain that sometimes erupts and spews out lava, ash, and gas. Let's explore the world of volcanoes together. Take a bottle of soda. Shake it really hard. Gas bubbles will form inside, causing a buildup of pressure. Twist the cap off. Pressure will release from the bottle. Soda will shoot everywhere. A volcanic eruption works much the same way. Pressure builds up inside a volcano as gas bubbles form in magma. Magma is hot liquid rock beneath the surface of the earth. Gas bubbles in the volcano need to escape. So the volcano erupts. Boom! A volcano is a mountain or hill with an opening. When a volcano erupts, magma is pushed up through the opening with great force. When magma reaches the Earth's surface, it is called lava. Lava can be as hot as 2,200 degrees Fahrenheit 1,204 degrees Celsius. Some volcanic eruptions are explosive. Lava shoots into the sky. Gas and hot pieces of rock and ash are also released. Other eruptions are effusive. Lava oozes slowly from the volcano. The intensity of an eruption depends on a few factors. One is the magma's temperature. Another is the magma's thickness. The amount of gas trapped within the magma is also an important factor. Different parts of a volcano. There are more than 1,500 active volcanoes on Earth. Around 50 to 70 volcanoes erupt every year. There are 82 volcanoes in Europe and 32 of these are in Iceland, one of the UK's closest volcanic neighbors. Did you know there are different parts to a volcano? They are called magma chamber, a large underground pool of liquid rock found beneath the surface of the Earth. Normally, this is where the magma stays. The magma pushes up from the chamber through the main vent to the surface of the Earth. Conduit, an underground passage, the channel or pipe that carries magma from a reservoir or magma chamber to the vent where it is erupted. Throat, the entrance of a volcano which ejects lava and volcanic ash. It can be viewed as the entrance to the volcano when looking into the mouth of the volcano from the top. Sill, a flat piece of rock which forms by hardening of magma in a crack in a volcano. Crater, a volcanic crater is a bowl or funnel-shaped depression that usually lies directly above the vent from which volcanic material is ejected. It is also called mouth of a volcano which surrounds the vent. Vent, an opening in the surface of the Earth through which volcanic materials, such as magma, can escape. Lava is hot, liquefied rock that flows from a volcano or other opening in the surface of Earth. When the liquid rock is still underground it is known as magma. Ash, small parts of lava or rocks which are shot in the air by explosion. Ash cloud, a cloud of ash formed by volcanic explosion. Summit, highest point or top of a mountain or volcano. Volcanoes are incredible natural wonders, made up of vent, crater, slopes, magma chamber, and lava flows. And now, let's explore the different types of volcanoes that shape our planet. Different types of volcanoes. Composite volcanoes. Composite volcanoes or stratovolcanoes are steep-sided volcanoes that can be found around the world, including the Ring of Fire, occur when tectonic plates move towards one another and creating destructive boundaries. Inside these types of volcanoes, the lava is super thick and sticky, which makes them exceptionally explosive when they erupt. Composite volcanoes also tend to release a ton of hot ash and rocks into the air when they erupt, which is very dangerous. Shield volcanoes. A shield volcano has long, gently sloping sides that resemble a warrior's shield. Unlike composite volcanoes, shield volcanoes occur where the tectonic plates move away from one another and maintaining constructive tectonic boundaries. Inside these types of volcanoes, the lava is thin and runny. This type of lava can travel long distances in a short period of time. Cinder cones. Cinder cone volcanoes form when lava erupts from a single opening in the ground. The eruption forms a hill with a crater in the center. Cinder cone volcanoes are usually less than 1,000 feet tall and they often form on the sides of larger, more complex volcanoes. They grow quickly but aren't usually very big or dangerous. As well as the above types of volcanoes, scientists have created three main subcategories for volcanoes. Active volcanoes. An active volcano is one that has erupted recently, and there is a possibility that it may erupt again. Dormant volcanoes. A dormant volcano is one that has not erupted for a long time, however, it may still erupt in the future. Extinct volcanoes. An extinct volcano is one which has erupted thousands of years ago, and will probably never erupt again. From shield volcanoes to stratovolcanoes, each type of volcano has its own unique story to tell. And now, let's explore the most volcanically active region on Earth, where many of these volcanoes come together to form the Ring of Fire. Welcome to the Ring of Fire, a 40,000 kilometers long zone of intense seismic and volcanic activity that stretches from New Zealand to South America. Here, the Earth's crust is constantly moving, creating the perfect conditions for volcanoes to form and erupt. About 75% of the Earth's volcanoes are located in a region called the Ring of Fire. This 25,000-mile ring is located around the Pacific Ocean. It runs from the southern tip of South America and up the west coast of North America. It continues across the Bering Strait and then south through Japan to New Zealand. The ring sits along the outline of several tectonic plates. Tectonic plates are the large puzzle pieces that make up the Earth's crust. The crust is Earth's outer layer. Most volcanoes form at the edges of tectonic plates. These huge plates are constantly shifting. Sometimes, the plates pull apart or slide into each other. When this happens, magma rises to fill in the space. Strong pressure and intense heat force the magma upward. It squeezes upward like toothpaste through a tube. The Ring of Fire, a vast zone of intense seismic and volcanic activity, encircles the Pacific Ocean, sparking fears of devastating eruptions. They also have significant short and long-term disadvantages like 1. Volcanic eruptions can be deadly and destructive, causing widespread damage to surrounding areas and communities. 2. Volcanic eruptions can lead to loss of life, both directly and indirectly, through pyroclastic flows, ashfall, and lahars. 3. Volcanic eruptions can displace people and animals, forcing them to flee their homes and habitats. 4. Volcanic eruptions can harm the environment, causing air and water pollution, soil degradation, and deforestation. 5. Volcanic ash and gases can pose health risks, including respiratory problems and skin irritation. 6. Volcanic eruptions can have a significant economic impact, affecting agriculture, tourism, and infrastructure. 7. Volcanic eruptions can damage or destroy infrastructure, including roads, bridges, and buildings. 8. Volcanic eruptions can have long-term effects on the environment and human health, lasting for years or even decades. Volcanoes can be dangerous, especially to the millions of people around the world who live near one. When a volcano erupts, lava, hot ash, steam, and rocks are released. In addition, volcanic eruptions can cause other natural disasters. These include landslides, mudslides, earthquakes, and tsunamis. The most destructive volcanic event in U.S. history occurred in 1980. That is when Mount St. Helens, in Washington state, erupted. The eruption destroyed entire forests. It killed 57 people. Mount St. Helens is located within the Ring of Fire. It is a composite volcano, or stratovolcano. This is the most common type of volcano. It is tall and cone-shaped. A composite volcano is made up of layers of rock and ash. Its eruptions are often violent. Another historically important volcanic event occurred in 79 AD in Italy. That is when Mount Vesuvius erupted. It buried the city of Pompeii in lava and ash. The city and its people were lost. Centuries later, scientists discovered their remains. While volcanoes can be destructive and dangerous, they also have a powerful upside. In fact, volcanoes have many benefits that shape our planet and support life. Let's explore the advantages of volcanoes. Volcanoes can create new land. The Hawaiian Islands were created by the eruptions of shield volcanoes. These large, low-lying volcanoes are made up almost entirely of layers of hardened lava. Volcanoes have played an important role in shaping our Earth. Ash from volcanoes adds helpful minerals to soil. This helps plants grow strong. Healthy plants produce oxygen for humans and animals to breathe. Volcanoes also remove heat from the Earth's interior. This helps keep our planet cool. In recent years, a new benefit of volcanoes has surfaced. Scientists are turning to volcanoes to help power cities. Researchers are exploring geothermal energy. It involves tapping into the heat beneath the Earth's surface to generate electricity. In Iceland, 25% of the nation's energy is geothermal. Volcanoes may be unpredictable. But as we learn more about how they work, they will become even more important to life on Earth. The fiery world of volcanoes is a reminder that our planet is alive, dynamic, and full of surprises. Join us next time as we explore more wonders of the natural world.